Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make your desktop like this, like a hacker's computer. To do your desktop like this, so follow my steps one by one. Just open your Chrome browser and type here edx.ui and then enter. Now you will see interface like this. Now you have to click on the 3-number link on the website edx.ui download. So you have to click on this website and then go to the website. Then you will see interface like this, and here you will see the system requirements. According to your system, you can download your version of edx UI. So my one is Windows, so I will download the Windows version. Because I have already downloaded the software, so I did not download now. So I will directly open the software like this. So I am opening the software. It is loading, so it will take some time. Now see the software's interface.